Hello everyone, today I will talk about some modification of my file for print speed printers. I make some modification with file what I describe on my videos. And after many hours of tests, I modified the speeds for the printers for few slicers and BAMBULAB Studio, Orca Slicer, QIDI Studio, Prusa Slicer, QIDI Slicer. Everyone who used the slicers can check my example speeds. All the speeds I test self about 3 months. After this I won't put this for public. I not change the parts is fast print speed like before, standard print speed and slow print speed. Fast print speed is only for high flow or high fill speed filament. Standard is almost for all filaments what we have, also the old filaments. But the print speed is very quiet and give good quality. And the speeds is for medium time for print, and if we want some print with high quality, we can use the slow print speed. Is high quality speeds for high quality speeds for use, but everyone can change the speeds for details what print self. Here is the possibility to make the speed for object. I put in the datasheet few printers from BAMBULAB. You see, also with upgrade Pandarivo, what we have here. Like that. Also with upgrade for TZ 4.0. Also, we can use this for 3.0 and 2.0 is also about 60 watt. Also is speeds for Creality K1, K1C, K1 Max. Is also with upgrade hot end for 60 watt. So also here the Creality K2 Plus is new printer, but I put here the speeds for print. The speeds what I check, I have very small percent for clock, about from 1 to 3% for prints, very small with these speeds and with this retraction here. Also we have speeds for FLASHFORGE 5M, 5M Pro, 5X, also for Prusa Core 1, for two extruders, 25 watt and 40 watt about. printers from QIDI plus 4, Q1 Pro, X Max 3, X Plus 3, X Smart 3. And if we use the speeds, we get the slicer, example with QIDI Studio I will show. We have the printer, Q1 Pro, here we have the filaments, here we have the profiles. This is my profiles for this nozzle. If we get 0.12 fast, something like this, we go to datasheet, go to printer, QIDI Q1 Pro, QIDI Studio, like that. Profile is 0.12, nozzle 0.4. We check, well, we have 0.4, 12, and we have here speeds. Iron 30, I not change from standard speed. The iron speed, we not must change this, this is good speed for this. And later we go to speed, but before we open the support and we see Intel layer infill 30, 90 here. Later is over wall, inner wall 140, 190. We see small parameters I leave like is in standard for 50% of speed. Small parameters thresholds I also not change. Changes is in the spares infill 380, internal solid infill 380. We can see this here. Next is top surface 140 for good quality, and overhang speed we have here all these 60, 40, 30, 10, but the 10 I not use because in the filament the minimum speed what I use is about 20 mm per second. If we put here 10, the slicer get the minimum speed print 20. If we want to use the 10 mm, we must change the print speed in the filament, minimum print speed. Every filament have this parameter. Later is over 100% wall, and we have see here 20, 70. We have here cap infill, support interface 190, 140, 70. We see this here. Travel speed 500 for this profile. We see I not change the acceleration because it's the physical properties. for the printer. We can change for less, but for more it's not so good to change the parameters. Like that we see how we can use the datasheet. My file is, for example, if someone wants to use the datasheet, can use for free. I tested this for 3 months on 3 printers. If I tested this on the QIDI iFast, QIDI Q1 Pro and BAMBULAB X1 Carbon. And after these tests I put my file on public. Thank you very much. Subscribe my channel.